In this video I'm going to show you how you can copy selected cells from a table and then paste them into a spreadsheet program like Excel or OpenOffice. Now there's a separate tutorial on exporting an entire table, so if you want all of the data I suggest you go check that out. You'll use this method if you only want selected rows and columns from the table. So what you need to do is first of all select the range of cells that you want to copy. Now it's usually best to go into the full screen view, which we'll do now, because we can see more in this view. The next thing to do is to drag select the range of cells we want to copy. Once you've selected a range of cells, you can right click and then use one of these options. We've got copy, copy with headers, and copy with group headers. Now copy will only copy the rows and will lose these labels at the top, the column headers. If you say copy with headers, the first row on the spreadsheet, when we copy it in, will be this row here. So we'll be able to see the data that each of these cells relates to. And copy with group headers only applies if you've got some groups applied, which you don't currently have. So let's say copy with headers, and that's now gone into our clipboard. Now navigate over to your spreadsheet program and use Control V, which is paste, to paste the data in. Just say OK to this message here, and you can see that that selected data has now been copied in. Because we said copy with headers, the first row on the spreadsheet are the column headers on the Flow Mobile Surveying table. So that's how you export a specific range of cells from a Flow Mobile Surveying table into your spreadsheet program like Excel or OpenOffice.